Marc and Paulette here, the two travelers in Mexico. And today, what are we going to talk about?
We're going to talk about Mextrajero.
That's right. It's gone on for 2 years. Next February will be the third year, and it will be here in San Luis Potosi. And so Paulette and I have been hard at work getting this set up. We've been working with the city.
Tourist department.
Paulette has been working also very hard with some of the hotels to line up some deals that we can get out some discounts.
The first meeting that we had with the tourist department, kudos to my friend Osiris, who hooked me up. He had a friend there. So thank you, Osiris, for doing that. Anyhow, we met with them probably 3 weeks ago, I think, is when we started everything.
Yeah.
And then from there, I had kind of an outline of what we were looking to do and meet with some hotels, see what kind of discounts they could give us, ching, for you guys, for the event, and some other things that I'm working on in the background that I haven't quite started yet, but one of them was the hotels. So Erica from the tourist office, she set up a meeting with all of them, which was just earlier this week. And it was a full room. I'm going to have Mark post a picture of that because there was, no room at all in there. It was a very, very good turnout. We took our friend Jerry with us. Shout out Jerry, because he's been a Spanish teacher for 25 years. And so we took Jerry with us to do the interpreting for us. And the lady from the tourist office, Erica, was there, the director was there, and they basically presented for us what we were looking to do.
Mm-hmm. And we had probably at least 30 representatives from hotels there.
Yeah, there was some that came, 2 per hotel and stuff like that. And so we handed them all out a flyer that I made explaining the event, explaining that I was looking for discount rates on the hotels for the people that were going to be attending us next February. And I didn't do it, but Erica did. She gave them until Friday, so she gave them that was like a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days only, to get back to me with price quotes. And many of them have. I'd say probably at least half of them have done that. Some of them are a little too far, I think. I'm trying to find something for you guys that is more centrally located in Central Historical, so that you guys can just walk around that area where there's, coffee shops and tons of restaurants and wonderful things to see in Central Historical. So I kind of said no to the ones that are on the outskirts more. I just want it to all be centrally located. And right now I'm kind of working with three, possibly 4 different hotels. So that's what's transpired so far to have this event go off really well. And there's a lot more hard work to do. And we are co-hosting it with Jeff and Sherry from Papa Moved to Mexico.
Yeah.
But they've only been here for 2 weeks now, and they're at an Airbnb, and they're trying to look at rentals, furnished, unfurnished, and that's kind of been a interesting, to say the least, challenge, because things are done a little bit differently here in Mexico. So we're not expecting them to, rush in and do a lot of this stuff. And I'm the kind of person that likes to just, plan and outline things and take notes and make a spreadsheet and whatever. And so that's just kind of what I do. When Mark and I lived in Sacramento, California, we used to do like potlucks and stuff like that. So we would do that, and there's other things that I kind of participated in, and outside of that, and got involved in. And then one year I did a class reunion. So that was a lot of work, but I just like doing that sort of stuff. So I figured I'd be pretty good about doing this. And then, Mark's doing some stuff too with the YouTubers on getting out the invites to them. And we're getting some responses. So far, we only have 11 responses that they're going to be committed to go. So that's good. Right now, we're also looking for the venue to have this event at. We haven't started that yet. There's one place in mind, and we're going to be checking that out, and maybe some others in the next week or two.
So, Mextranjero, for those that don't know, it's two things. It's for YouTube channels to get together and do collabs and just talk YouTube stuff, and then a couple
exchange, good information, what works for you, blah blah blah, and then to finally meet up with those YouTubers.
Right, and then a couple days after that will be the subscriber meetup, which is always fun. We got the chance to meet a lot of our subscribers at the last Mextranjero, so we're looking forward to that as well.
Yeah, and the first one, we'll just give you a kind of a rough background for those that aren't familiar with this whole thing. The first one came about with Gina and Mark from Gringos R Us, and Mexico No Bull, right? Is that what it's called? I always get it wrong.
Retire Life in Mexico No Bull.
Yeah.
Ernie Baca.
And so they kind of came up with this idea, hey, this might be a kind of fun thing to do. Let's see how it works. Well, I thought it went fantastic, and that was in San Miguel de Allende. And that was last year. And then this year, Craig and KJ from Truly Remarkable Live and Gina and Mark from Gringos R Us took hold of the rings, co-hosted together, and it was in Ajijic, and that was just in February, and that was a great turnout too. They had it at the Lake Chapala Society, and there's a lot of people that hang out there.
Yeah.
And the event it went over really, really good. So we're held to high standards. Even though we're not an expat, quote, haven, like, San Miguel de Allende and Ajijic, Lake Chapala area. But we wanted to bring it here so that we could show you guys a different side of Mexico, where we live.
Yeah. Yeah, because I was going to say San Miguel. San Luis Potosi is a beautiful city, relatively undiscovered by the expat population.
Yeah,
So we want to show
and a
that
lot
off.
of people don't want us to share information about San Luis because they don't want a lot of expats to come here, I guess you could say. But, I don't know. We just wanted to share our city with everybody and kind of get the word out. And we've created 2 Facebook pages. Our Mark did. Tell them about that.
There's one for the YouTube creators. It's an event.
And what's it called?
It's Mextranjero YouTube creators. And
2027?
2027. And there's one Mextranjero YouTube subscribers.
No, it's not
2027.
YouTube. It's just Mextrajero subscribers, 2027, something like that.
Yeah.
So one's for basically the subscribers to get on there, and we're going to share information, and they can ask questions, whatever, they can say who's going, who's not going, who's thinking about going, what have you. And then the other one is basically for us YouTube creators to have chats between all of us. Yeah. So anyhow, that's it. It's not a real long video, but we just kind of wanted to talk about it a little bit more. And maybe in a future video, you'll see Jeff and Sherry and Papa got a GoPro, or it's Papa got a GoPro, and then it's Papa moved to Mexico.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So that's his new one for Mexico. Although I think he still has the Papa got a GoPro, because he does a lot of resorts, is what he does. His resorts are really good videos too,
Yeah.
in Mexico. So anyhow, I think that's probably all the information that I have for now. We'll update the 2 pages that Mark created, and you know, we'll do information as time goes on about this. We're asking the YouTubers also who are attending to go ahead and share this information on their channel as well, and to go ahead and mention our 2 sponsors. Sponsors, that's the word. Sponsors, which is, you want to tell them who it is?
Mexico Relocation Guide
Mariana,
and
Amy.
Amy from Expat Spanish.
Yeah. That's it. That's it for today, guys. But we just wanted to clue you into what was going on with this event. For next year, it takes planning, and I like to start early and get all my ducks in a row. And like I said, we'll update you as things goes on, and we'll also go ahead and update those 2 pages to let everybody know what's going on.
Yep.
And from always, let me put my big mug down of some water and some mica and cinnamon. From
What she did.
I haven't even said it yet.
Okay, do it again. Just do it again.
Well, do I always say for the 2 travelers in Mexico, and then I blow a kiss, right?
Yeah.
Okay. From the 2 travelers in Mexico, as always,
What she did.
bye, guys.
Bye.